This video was sponsored by Errands, Elbilmek, ABRP, Kempower and bilkomponenter.
Det är mer fart att det på chons är axeln is bara. Mer fart. Good morning. Yeah, this is a bit unusual video, right? Well, it's more like a vlog, but I will try to include some Hyundai Inster also, so it becomes relevant in my channel. But today I was supposed to do either a Sunday drive of the Inster or 1,000 kilometer challenge, but because of sykt barn, sick children, then I'm kind of stuck here. Isabel yesterday had 40.2 degrees Celsius fever, and even yesterday it was 39 degrees, but then suddenly now this morning it's 37.2 degrees. Children, they apparently get really high fever and then they recover quickly. So because of that I cannot travel yet, so I have to stay home. Yeah. And Isabel was like, yeah, video! Isabel, you're on video! And then Axel has also been sick, but he's recovering now. And now also wifey caught the same cold or whatever it is.
All right, wifey's up. So, yeah, now Axel is eating some breakfast. It's actually getting kind of late for him for this stuff. Grøt, you see, it's from 6 months plus, and he's almost 1 year, but he kind of semi-refuses to eat regular food. Yeah, but we need to try to train him to eat. And then Isabel also wants to eat. It's like Isabel wants to mimic everything that Axel does. Eating, drinking, and playing, and so on. Not much has changed here in the house. Yeah, we had a trampoline here. It's been working great because during winter, Isabel could use a trampoline. Now she started climbing on everything, you know. Yeah. I think normally I don't want her to do too much heavy activities if she's sick, but it seems like she has recovered. So, you know, we are now in the end of March. The sun is getting stronger. See, 10 in the morning and the sun is over there, and it's just blasting in here. And even now, when it's only around 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, we feel it in the house. You know, the house is so efficient. So it heats up. Like during night, in the morning hours, it becomes maybe around 23, 24 degrees in the living room. But then during the day, it heats up to 27, actually higher if we don't open up anything. But yeah, the grass here has not started growing yet. I think it's not that warm yet. Well, there's something going on here. Yeah, it's starting a little bit. No, this is treklover. Yeah, clover. I mean clover. Yeah. So here we see the facade of the house. In 2015, not much has changed. Yeah, I need to paint this. It's about time now. Idehus, they told me that you have to wait until it has dried, preferably 2 years. Yeah, this is the second year now. Now we can paint it white, so it looks better. Just have to buy some stairs and then paint myself. Yeah, I'm gonna DIY, do it myself, try to not to kill myself in the process, or get myself killed rather. The pool has been stored like this during winter. These plates, steel plates, they are quite heavy. I put some, what do you call it, talk stain roof tiles on top here. These are freaking heavy stuff, man. In case it blows off while I'm in Thailand, I don't want any big unfall, but I think it doesn't happen because normally it blows north, south, north is over there roughly. Wait, dangerous position. Oh, but yeah, so it doesn't blow this direction. It doesn't obviously blow the other. Then the house is shading for it. So yeah, nimli, huh? Nice. Voila. The e-Golf is 45 centimeters longer than the Inster. This is only 3.8 meters long. I get the Renault 5 vibes, my very first car. Well, we are kind of ready now. Just want to show you what we are trying to do. Put all this luggage, well, and car seat in the little Inster, and then we go to the shopping mall, have some food, and we have to buy a little bit of groceries also. Okay, let's go. Okay, look, this is incredible. This tiny car, 3.8 meters, can fit a whole family of two. It's about just more, yeah. Cybex Anoris T2 goes in here. We have the baby stuff there. We have my camera bag. In the back here we have Cybex E-Gazelle S with the double decker, whatever you call it. Well, it fits so well. We have space here even for groceries. Let's check that it closes. What? This car is smaller than e-Golf. It's smaller than BYD Dolphin. And then here axle goes, and we still have more space there. All right, let's go. All right, we are now in Fjerningby. I came here, I brought wifey here because she hasn't been here in, I don't know, 4 or 5 years. You know, this is a bit outside of Lillestrøm, and yeah, sorry for the noise. Axel, he doesn't like sitting in car seat. Even after driving 15 minutes, he hasn't calmed down yet. But this area here is where we originally wanted to live. I think it was in 2021 or so. We looked at houses over here. They were still building the houses. So this is built by a company called Ris Bygg. And wifey loved the style of Ris Bygg. And you can recognize them. You can recognize the style. You see, we have, they call it sprosse, you know, the square things, and you have the balcony and so on. So we actually wanted to live here. It's nice and quiet here, but it's just, from here we have to drive around 15 minutes just to get to Lillestrøm. The reason why we didn't want this eventually was that the property is not that big, so you are basically just bam, right next to your neighbors. Okay, now we are getting close to Lillestrøm. We'll go to Metro Center, have some pho. We haven't had that in a while. Look, even this poor man's car has 360 camera, and it is actually nice and sharp. Wow. No, sometimes I wonder, why don't Tesla get 360 camera yet? Well, they have the most awesome tech, but no 360 camera. Okay, well, it's a bit, okay, the gear hand is here. But suddenly it makes sense to have such a small car, because you can fit this car anywhere, unlike that F-150 Lightning I tested a couple of weeks ago. Look at this. Even makes the Ioniq 5 look big. Wait, stop with the beeping. Shh. Is there no mute thing here? No, shh. Oh man, those beeps, they are a little bit too much. I even put the car in quiet mode. Okay, let's go. Look how little space it takes up in the parking spot. And it makes other cars look so big compared to the Inster. Yeah. Okay, anyway, let's get ready. Axel fell asleep now, so I have to figure out. Never mind. None. Axel just, yeah, he just woke up because. Okay, well, it's game over now. Welcome to Metro Center. This is the shopping mall in Lørenskog. We used to come here a lot when we live in Alnabru. That was just 5 minutes drive from here. So yeah, we brought the double decker, but we don't have a use for it yet because I have to carry Axel. But actually, we could have brought the 2 other strollers, but they would take up more space. And since we have limited space in the trunk, then this is the one to go for. So, wow. Yeah, we want to have some pho. They still have the shop here. Let's see if they're here. Haven't told them I'm coming. But they have They have pho, and they also have some other Vietnamese food. This is bao buns and fried rice. Oh, this looks good. We have red pork and red chicken. Yeah. Well, at dinner for today we have fried rice with red pork, and then for wifey we have bún bò hơi, but we went for the pho noodles. But this is nice. It's spicy. It's similar to pho. And then here we have some it's supposed to be shrimps with some salad, fried shrimps. And then remember to ABC, always buy Sulu. All right, great food. And we went to Boots drugstore to buy this. My wife just need to check something because it's late supposedly. So, well, they have some stau on the way back. Wait, is that Unfall? Not sure what happened there. But it's past 5 in the afternoon. Normally there shouldn't be stau here. So, all right. But now we have some peace in the back seat because Axel is asleep. So we are using adaptive cruise control and auto steer. Seems like it's doing an okay job. Yeah, I have to pay attention though. Look at the end consumption, 144. Okay, anyway, let's get ready and unload everything. Oh, this was the real deal, the real test with the whole family, and it passed brilliantly. I don't know what else to say. It's a small car, but it works really well. You can see how they place the wheels all the way on the edges of the car to maximize the internal space. I think that's the recipe, and a fairly short hood also. All right, I'm heading out again, alone this time. I'm gonna pick up some sushi. Well, it's tempura maki. Isabel was hungry, and when we asked her what she wants, she said sushi, well, or the tempura maki. So, all right, let's go grab it. Right now, since Isabel is sick, then whatever she wants to eat, we'll get it for her. Wow, it's 1924, and there's still some daylight. Spring is coming, finally. So yeah, the favorite sushi spot is here. It's called City Sushi and Thai. Yeah, they have lots of nice sushi, but we only get a little sushi for Isabel. So here we have it. Swadika. Oh yeah. So Isabel likes this. She will sometimes eat only the shrimp part, and then avocado she doesn't like, and then of course she doesn't eat this. Yeah, and then this is for wifey. They have the breast green, a Thai green tea over here. Oh yeah. And of course, as a frequent buyer, you can get this bonus card. So after 10, you get one free. Yes, and that's the owner, Kun Iu. Her husband, what's his name? Vegard. He is of course my follower. He drives a Tesla still.
Not yet.
Oh no, you have e-tron. I forgot. You drive e-tron, right?
Now I drive Porsche. Taycan.
Oh, you have Taycan now.
Yeah. And Vega has changed to Genwagen.
Huh? He ordered.
3 days ago, yeah.
Well, he received a Glendewagen.
Yeah.
The
try?
The electric Glendewagen.
No. Benzin.
Benzin. Okay. Well, then I'm not too interested. But thank you very much for it. Well, maybe I should try it, the fossil, and we can test it against how it is. You know, the sound and everything. And maybe I'll try it. Okay. I have his number anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can try it.
I'm back home, and Isabel is going upstairs with wifey. Isabel, how there? Yeah. Wife is gonna shower and Isabel joins her. And apparently Isabel had the croissant earlier now, just now, ate almost all of it, and then she doesn't want to eat the sushi. Well, or tempura maki. Well, no problem. We have someone else who wants to eat it. Wait, where did that green tea go?
Let's see. Oh, here it is. Oh, get over here. Okay. So, wifey. Well, she already had a house. Let me try. If you've ever been in Thailand, this is the real Thai style green tea. It's just that mix of milk and tea and almost as authentic as in Thailand. Okay, I got nothing to see here, nothing to see in the fridge, okay? But yeah, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.